Hey folks, it's Alan here at Big Eric's, and just wanted to say happy spring. Spring has finally arrived, and with spring comes spring cleaning. Some of you may remember us as SaniPro or Janitor's Market, but here at Big Eric's we have an incredible selection of cleaning supplies for all your needs, whether it's at home, at work, if you're with a church, if you're with a community center, fire department. We're here to help. We have a great selection of products, from the tools needed to do the job, equipment, vacuum cleaners, the ever popular Henry. We have garbage bags. We have an incredible selection of cleaning products, chemical that it's organic, ecologically friendly, got the clogged drain. We have the product that can help. So stop by and visit our team here. And for those that work in the industry, I just want to remind you that our Dartmouth location is open every Saturday from 9 to 3. So if you get that emergency project, whether it's a wax job, you need chemical, drop in at Big Eric's from 9 to 3 on Saturdays. We're here to help. Don't have an account? Don't worry about it. We'll get you set up and you'll start saving today. So we look forward to seeing you here at Big Eric's. Check out just the wide selection of products that we have for the spring cleaning at home or at work.